very shortly, what we have is the Pollo air scrubber, and same thing as the Latin name for poultry. So basically it's our poultry air scrubber. These are always chemical air scrubbers, and we have a version for broilers and a version for layers. And I'm only going to show you shortly what the specifications, the usage and the reductions are. And what the thing is with poultry air scrubbers, as mentioned before, these are almost always built-in air scrubbers. And this is because the ventilation rates for the houses are usually so high that a module is far, far too small. So the first version is for broilers. This one is based on the German DLG certification. It has a package of 60 centimeters thick and a drip catcher of 25 centimeters thick, which is exactly the same as the Porkus chemical. The pH range is 3.3, drain off at 180 millisiemens, and the counter pressure is 65 pascals for this. It's a little bit lower than the Porkus one because the ventilation rate is a bit lower. As you can see, the maximum load is 2,741 cubic meters of air going through each square meter of package. So what are the reduction rates? Ammonia over 91%, the total dust reduction 87%, and the smaller particles PM10 77 and PM2.5 over 94%. Odor reduction about 40%, and once again this is only available as a chemical air scrubber. And then we have the Pollo air scrubber for layers. It's also DLG certified. Package, drip catcher, pH range, drain, and the maximum counter pressure exactly the same as for the Pollo for broilers. The maximum load is a little bit lower, 2,000 cubic meters per square meter. And the reductions are ammonia over 80%, total dust over 77%, particulate matter, PM10 over 76%, and for 2.5s over 91%. Odor reductions only 23%. And again, it's only available as a chemical air scrubber. So the thing is, the Pollo air scrubbers for broilers and for layers are completely identical. The only difference is the air volume that can go over the air scrubber, which makes the Pollo for layers a bit bigger per cubic meter than for broilers.